There was a time when Spotify Camp Nou looked like nothing more than a massive construction site. But with each passing day, that picture is changing in remarkable fashion. Every new visit reveals a stadium that feels more complete, more iconic, and closer than ever to its final identity. Today's update is packed with fresh developments, impressive visuals, and exciting progress you won't want to miss. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Camp Nou updates. A new week has begun, and construction at Spotify Camp Nou is already gaining momentum. The compression ring continues to advance at an impressive pace, while new structural boxes have been installed in the main stand. Along the stadium's lateral side, waterproofing work is progressing steadily. One corner has already received its primer and final gray waterproof membrane, while the remaining sections will follow after the surrounding finishing work is completed. Crews are also focusing on what appear to be ventilation outlets, where concrete work took place earlier today, making this area one of the key sections to watch this week. Meanwhile, the growing stockpile of expanded clay beside La Masha is expected to be used to raise the ground level and cover the exposed water pipelines along the stadium's side. The three diamond structures continue to reshape the lateral area. The first is approaching its roof concrete phase, the second has entered the formwork stage, and the third appears to have completed its foundation slab, although visibility from this angle remains limited. The south stand cores continue to take shape, with work platforms still active across the lower levels. Higher up, the upper sandwich wall panels have now been fully completed, and another important detail has emerged. The first sandwich panel has now been installed on the front-facing section, confirming that the exposed concrete slabs will only be used on the exterior side, facing the esplanade. The VIP ring appears quieter during this afternoon visit, with fewer workers visible than usual. Most of the interior walls for the future hospitality and restroom areas have already been completed, while construction activity has now shifted closer to the south stand. The central area also looks calmer today, despite crews inspecting structural beams and carrying out quality checks. Meanwhile, attention is gradually shifting toward the third-tier overhang, where workers continue repositioning safety railings and installing new support systems. The north stand continues to make steady progress, with crews now installing reinforcement steel over the diamond's roof formwork. Because of the roof's complex geometry, this stage is expected to take around 2 more weeks before it's ready for the concrete pour. Meanwhile, activity on the compression ring has picked up, as 2 new shoring towers were installed in the north stand, with similar progress also reported in the south stand. These smaller-than-usual towers appear to be preparing the next phase of structural work. Their placement suggests that work is steadily advancing toward the installation of additional support columns and the next series of structural components. With the week only just beginning, even more movement is expected across the compression ring in the coming days. The entire perimeter of the VIP ring has been enclosed with the black panels. The entire perimeter, every section, the full circuit. What was not so long ago an open and structurally visible framework running around the VIP ring is now a complete enclosed defined architectural form, sealed from end to end, with the striking black panel treatment that gives this premium section of the stadium its finished exterior identity. The significance of a full perimeter enclosure cannot be overstated in architectural terms. Enclosure is the moment a structure stops being a framework and becomes a building. It is the moment the interior spaces are defined by their boundaries, and those boundaries are given their permanent exterior character. The VIP ring has now experienced that moment. It is enclosed. It is defined. And from the outside, it presents a complete, coherent, and deeply impressive face to anyone who looks at it. But the VIP ring enclosure is not the only major development happening at the upper levels today. The space between the first and second terrace of the upper structure is also being covered with sandwich panels. This is a really important and really visually impactful phase of the upper exterior works because the space between those 2 terrace levels is one of the most visible and most prominent sections of the upper stadium face when viewed from the exterior. Seeing sandwich panels being installed there is directly and dramatically changing the appearance of the upper exterior, filling in the gaps, creating a more unified and more complete exterior surface, and pushing the overall upper-tier appearance closer to its finished and magnificent form. The upper exterior is looking really good right now, and the combination of the fully enclosed VIP ring and the interterrace sandwich panels is making it look better with every panel that is installed. That wraps up today's Camp Nou update. The transformation is becoming more impressive with every passing day, and there's still plenty more to come. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and Visca Barça!